If you are planning to file your immigration case or have an immigration case pending, this is why I think cases could slow down and immigration benefits might get harder to obtain. So apparently the Department of Homeland Security is set to fire hundreds of senior leaders within the agency this week. The firings are not a move to reduce the size of the workforce, but to get rid of people the administration sees as not on board with its goals. Now, last week, Trump fired 400 federal workers, including 50 workers at uscis, which is the agency that processes green cards, naturalization or citizenship, asylum, or work permits. But those cuts from uscis were really strange because uscis makes its own money because it's fee funded. So why cut the workers if the money's already there? In addition, there was a firing of over 20 immigration judges last week, despite the fact that the immigration court system has a backlog of 3.7 million cases. Now, immigration judges play a critical role in determining who gets to stay in the United States and who is ultimately removed from the United States. While it's unclear how exactly the firing of these judges will impact the backlog in immigration court, I would imagine that cases could now take longer. It's also unclear whether the immigration judges that were fired are going to be replaced. Some of the judges that were let go are extremely experienced in the realm of immigration law. And last time Trump was in office, there were hiring of immigration judges, but in the area where I practice, a lot of them did not have immigration law experience. Many of them were military judges or judges that did not have any experience in the realm of immigration, which was very concerning for us as practitioners because we had a lot of problems with judges who just didn't know how to apply the law. Now, with respect to uscis, that agency is already drowning in delays, and I think with fewer staff, you could wait longer for approvals or decisions on your case. Meanwhile, Trump didn't cut any individuals who work with CBP or ICE, and that's because those agencies are focused on enforcement. So all of this just feels bigger than a staffing cut. It's almost as if he's trying to make adjudicative agencies enforcement agencies. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.